in this Walmart here in, look at it, it's all pretty up against the clouds. Moulton, Alabama.
Yo, Duke, pick up the phone.
Yo.
What's up?
It's supposed to have 3 Vizio TVs. They're 50-inch 4K UHD for $73 each. Brickseek, you let me down yesterday. Actually, it wasn't Brickseek. Walmart, you let me down yesterday with your crappy ass inventory system. Let's see what we got today. I know y'all want to see the clearance, right? Y'all want to see if this is any good? $7. Let's see. Man. I know y'all thinking, damn, VP, you got all that stuff? Yeah, we at it again. Because you know what? We ain't got nothing else to do. I called my brother and he said, what are you doing? Are you listing? Am I listing? Alright, neither one of them's what they flip. Shane, take note. Oh, look, they marked it down 79 cents. Woohoo! You can make $1. I don't spend 8 to make 1. Ooh, that's a brand new one. Surely it's worth more than $3. You can make $1. Damn. What about the Barbie mermaid? Y'all think she's worth $15? Oh heck, there was already one flipped up. She's worth $23.99. You can lose $1. Alright, y'all watch this. Doesn't that look so much better now? Surely they gotta have some toys somewhere. That can't be all the clearance toys. Because if that's the case, I ain't finding no TVs. I know that's on clearance. I know that's Marvels. See, here's what happens. You open the Walmart app, and it recognizes what store you're in. That's awesome, man. Told you that was on clearance. $5. Selling them for 14. You can make 87 cents. You sit right there, buddy. I'll catch you the next time. Anybody else see any more hidden clearance? Y'all see any Legos over here I missed? Alright, I'll pick y'all back up and let's go to Alright, Walmart. You got me in the last one. Oh, wait a minute. Did we lock the van? Heck yeah, we locked the van. Am I the only one that does that? I get out of the van, I'm halfway through the parking lot, and I'm like, did I lock that damn thing? I sure have a lot of inventory. Well, today, of course, I have 0. Unless I didn't even bring a box with me, so yeah, there's that. So this Walmart is between the house and home. So I figured, you know, what the hell, BP? Why would you drive by it when you've already struck out? Let's strike out again. Alright, because I've got to buy more than the audience, right? You come here to see me find something, right? I'll have my own People of Walmart show. What do you think? Right on. Alright, so that didn't work out so great for the home team. Alright, these little guys never let me down. Bubble guppies. They're $7. Look, y'all don't want to look at me. Bubble guppies. Bubble guppies. $12. Damn it. Look at all this bubble guppy stuff. You never see bubble guppy stuff. The bubble guppies are making a comeback. I can make $1 on that one. Bubble guppies. I used to buy a lot of this at Kmart. But since there's no Kmart, it's the state of Alabama. Yeah. Amazon's in. Okay. Paw Patrol? You're an old faithful. You don't let Daddy down. This is getting depressing, Walmart. You're killing me today. So far, we're still even. Look at this bag. Hey, some days are better than others. Some days just suck. Hey, but if you're scared, if you ain't willing to go through this, go get a job. That's a good one right there. Get a job. All right, if y'all can see it right over there. I've never been to that Staples before. Let's go see what they got. And then we're gonna go to. There's a GameStop around here somewhere. They've got $5 action figures. So we're gonna go check out what action figures they have for $5. As soon as we figure out where the hell we put the van. Anybody see it? Hello. I could have sworn I was over there, but the way my day's going, somebody stole the van. Anybody see it? Anybody see it? Never mind. I know where I'm at. Third row over. Anybody? Bueller? Anybody steal the van? Hell no. There it is. I'm gonna tell you one thing. It's a good thing I parked the van over here because watch this. Can y'all see it? I found the GameStop too. I tell you, man, some days are better than others. Some days Walmart struggles, Brixie struggles, and even old BP struggles. Damn it, man. Don't worry, this GameStop is gonna be a winner right here. Winner, chicken dinner. I see you. See it? They didn't want me to hit that. Well, somebody did me a favor. GameStop van. When I start looking for the van next time, will somebody tell me where the hell it is? Hey, wait a minute. Did we lock the van again? Damn it, I gotta stop doing this. Alright, and then next time I ask, yes, BP, you locked the van. Let's see what they got. What's that? Yeah, that smell going away. So GameStop. I'm trying to make sure the receipt doesn't go anywhere. That dude, $37. I guess he can ride in the seat up here since there's nothing else in the whole dang van. See, look, empty. This is another good one. Toy Story, GameStop. Always check anything that says GameStop only. Or this one's an exclusive from the Funko Insider Club or Funko's. I don't know what kind of club. And then this guy's worth $16, and it's one of the $5 today. So, hey, we broke the ice. All right, let's go to Staples. Staples, you are now free to deliver great stuff because I have bought something and cracked the seal on this day. All right, hey, that pays for gas. Let's roll. All right, this is what Staples currently looks like. I'm not holding out any great hope. This is $10.50. It's been clearance a lot of places, so I think the inventory is pretty high on it. Yep, 73 sellers, $12.72. Not in the mood to lose $3 on a product. So yeah, there's that. Not having good luck with Altec Land since they like to send ugly emails. Yep. Anybody? Anybody? All right, next. We'll check out the tumblers. We sold so many tumblers. Alright. I got a feeling not even in there. Told you. Awesome. Go fish, Crunch. Save $1. Save 3. Okay. $0.50. Anybody? I bet those are not 50 cents. $1. $1. Anybody want a llama? I shouldn't. let's take a picture of the llama so that can be the Yarwing winner. Where did he get the thumbnail for today? There you go. One and no more. $3. We're getting $3 means it turns gold packaging. That's what that means. It's been one of them days. Okay, so what do you do when you've struck out a couple times, 3 times as a matter of fact today, but there's only one place you've actually done well? I'll tell you what you do. You go there. This ain't that difficult. Did y'all watch me walk right on by? You go there. You go right by there. All right, I'm gonna look for some more Funkos. Let's do it. All right, so look at there, another one. Hey, Bearded Picker went from losing to winning pretty quick, folks. I didn't know about that one. He's worth 30. I got 2 of that one, and I got 2 more of that one. 2 more of that one, $5 each. Man, winning. Let's make sure they were $5 each. Oh heck, the receipt went to the email. Alright, winning. I still got till 6 o'clock to be in Harlan. Let's go to another one. Alright, here we go. GameStop number 3. We're turning this day into a positive. I'm not even going to walk by it this time. Okay, one of them days. That's a small store. Manager said they didn't have a chance to get the new ones out yet, so I'll come back here in a couple days. This is the store in town that sells the least of that kind of stuff. So I'm not worried about them disappearing here. I ran out of time too, because, hey, let's go have dinner with another picker. If y'all not checked out Harlan, I'll link his channel again. Good guy, different style picker. He's into free. His last video, he picked up some stuff at a yard sale in his neighborhood. I bought good stuff at that yard sale, and he goes back and gets free. That's awesome. All right, we'll say hey to him before we close this sucker out. I'll show you everything I got when I get home. All right, if y'all want to join us for dinner, we're eating there at Tailgaters Bar and Grill. Looking for Harlan. Anybody seen him? Big ass red truck. Anybody? Bueller. I think I've used that one on this video today. Hey, y'all keep looking. Scream when you see the big ass truck. So people always say in these videos, nobody ever shows you bad days, nobody ever shows you mistakes, they just show you wins, they show you everything. Okay, well, if I can show you the text that Harlan sent me, I'm at the wrong restaurant. And then look at the gas. I don't think I got enough gas to get to the right restaurant. So yeah, there's that. So I'm like 20 minutes. I'm gonna be like 20 minutes late. What an idiot. All right. Bearded Picker people. Places Harlan and I eat. Tonight's special fried seafood plate. Oysters and a frog leg. As he laughs. You get to see the front of him again. No ass shots tonight. I'll be in the hall today. There's two Hulks, 2 D.VA. Damn if I know. 3 Forkies. 1 of them, 2 of them. 2 Pokemons. So yeah. Not every day is a great day. But cover my time, cover my gas. Hey, we'll do it again tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Yeah, tickle the like button. That'd be awesome. And we'll see you in the next one. Roll Tide.